Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Intel Corporation easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by researching Intel Corporation to understand its business model and financial health. Visit Intel's official website for the latest news and updates related to their products and services. Check financial news websites for recent articles and analysis about Intel's market performance. Next, open a brokerage account if you don't have one already. Select a brokerage that suits your investment needs, whether it's for beginners or seasoned investors. Fill out the application form with your personal and financial information. Fund your brokerage account through a bank transfer, debit card, or other accepted methods. Once your account is funded, log in to the brokerage platform. Search for Intel Corporation using its stock ticker symbol, Intel. Review the stock's current price, historical performance, and analyst ratings. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your investment strategy and budget. Choose the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order. Place your order to buy shares of Intel Corporation. Confirm your order details before finalizing the transaction. Keep track of your investment by monitoring Intel's performance and news updates. Consider setting financial goals for your investment, whether for short-term gains or long-term growth. Review your investment periodically to ensure it aligns with your overall portfolio strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.